Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time I drop anything, guys, you'll be notified, guys. I've seen a lot of influencers making rounds about black coffee's divorce, guys. I think as a man, you start providing on a very young age, to be honest. You know, even if you are just like a 15-year-old or something, you start saving, to impress your girl when you're going out. Maybe you are taking her to, it's your swimming pool. If you are in Joburg, there's like a pool day. But who is paying for all these things is a man. So as a man, guys, we are born like that. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So it's unfortunately Kofi's ex, she gonna walk away with millions and whatnot. But as a man, don't feel some type of way. We were born like that. We are providers by nature. And mind you, they have kids, guys. They have kids. You must think of kids as well. I'm not saying Kofi was not paying child maintenance and whatnot, but I'm just saying as a man, you have to go through such a thing. It is not like a big deal. It is a big deal. What am I saying? But like, it's not like it's the end of the world. Like, boys mustn't get married. Because I saw a lot of people saying, yeah, marriage is a trap. I'm not gonna get married. This means as a man or as an African man, you are running away from being responsible. You're just being a simp. You're just running away from being responsible. Because as a man, you have to provide, guys. You have to get married. That 10 rand lobola that you have paid for, that says you are in a marriage of community of whatever that they say, you are in it. As a man, you have to go through that, And at the end of the day, guys, it's not like we are born to like, guys, I can say we are born to be slaves for ladies. Because a lady, she can work and she can tell you tomorrow that, like, baby, I don't feel like going to work anymore. And she can leave that thing. But you, as a guy, you can't just leave your job and say, you know what, I don't feel like working. 50-50. Okay, in SA, we talk about 50-50 and stuff. But 50-50 doesn't apply to men, especially when it comes to providing, guys. Even if you can go back to the Bible, you can go back to Quran, you can go back to wherever, a man must lead. A man must be the head of the family. And if that thing is versa, there's something wrong in you. There's something that's going to go wrong with your family because you are not following the nature. Nature always wins, guys. Nature always wins. It's either it's in like an animal world, or it's either it's an aquatic world or whatever. Nature always wins, guys. Hey, guys, these things that I've been seeing. There's a boy that dig up his dad. This Nyaupe boys, he dig up his dad and then he crushes his dad's bone and smoke his father's bones. What's wrong? What is it that is in there inside this Nyaupes, guys? Nah. This is too much, guys. This is too much. No way, man. Somebody, you dig up your dad, then you crush his bone and smoke it with these Nyaupe things. What is it that is inside this Nyaupes that is driving people so mad, guys? No way, man. This is crazy, guys. Like, this Nyaupes is on another level, guys. There's something that I wanted to talk about it again. What is whatever that happens to Kofi, it ever happened to Kofi, but it mustn't scare us. It mustn't scare us, guys. Please comment in the comment section what do you think, guys, about marriage on the community of property. If it's still a thing, should we stop paying lobola? Should we? I don't know, guys. Please comment in the comment section. I don't know if we should stop paying lobola or what, guys. But it's our African tradition, guys. It's our African tradition. Our forefathers, they've been doing this thing, and then we've been doing this thing. It's just that nowadays there's like laws that is gonna the lady, she have to walk away with your millions and whatnot. But like, is it a bad thing if you guys have kids? Is it a bad thing that your ex here walk out with millions, but you guys have kids together? Please comment in the comment section, guys. See you on the next video.